नमस्कार येवकार तुमकां सगळ्यांक. म्हाका दिसता CAAचेर आमी खूबदां बोवाळूय आयकलो की भारतभर बोवाळ आयकलो आनी खुबशें कितें जालें जेन्ना हो लॉ जो आसा तो जेन्नाच्यान लागू जालो तेन्नाच्यान खुबशे जाणांक इंडियन सिटीजनशीप मेळ्ळी. पूण गोंयान पयले व्यक्ती जांकां हे CAAचे अंडर गोंयचे इंडियन सिटीजनशीप मेळ्ळा. जोसेफ फ्रांसीस परेरा सर आमच्या बरोबर आसा आनी तांचे मिसीस आमच्या बरोबर. सर, वेलकम टू द शो. सो हाव डज इट फील, बिकॉज यू आर द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू गेट सिटीजनशीप ऑफ गोवा, India. How does it feel?
I feel great. I'm happy, and I'm very happy, and I'm grateful to all the government has given this opportunity to apply, and I got it.
So I was talking to your missus, and it was really a hard time because every month or every year you need to travel to Delhi for Pakistan Embassy for the renovation and everything. What was the process and how hard was that process?
Well, it was difficult. I have to take special FRO permission to travel to Delhi to renew my passport. They used to say, okay, you can go now, because without that I couldn't go to Delhi to renew my passport. So twice I had gone there and they had given me special permission, and then only I could travel to renew my passport.
It might be your dream that you should get an Indian citizenship. You are living in Goa. You are a Goikar.
Yeah.
Now you are officially Indian.
That's right. That was in my first thought. I was longing for this Indian citizenship. Then I will get it. So I approached many authorities to get me this.
I can see that. Sir, I was just asking ma'am about you will be voting for now. There will be other procedure and you'll be getting a voting card and everything as an Indian, and you'll be voting for the first time in Goa.
Exactly. Actually, even I cannot walk, I will take a taxi and go voting.
That's really nice.
Exactly.
I will love to watch this because you will be voting after so many years.
Yeah.
Never voted.
I
Never
never
voted.
voted. Even Pakistan also, I never voted. I don't know what procedure is. Only once I traveled with my wife to vote with her. I just went to see.
Okay, what
That's
is
all.
the voting procedure?
Exactly. That was some years back when I was on holiday.
When you came back to India in Goa?
I came in 2013.
13. Okay. And before that, how many years you were staying in Pakistan?
I was in Bahrain.
Okay.
37 years I worked in Bahrain.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, how do you feel, ma'am? Because this is a proud moment for Goa, because there will be many people who are staying outside Goa, outside India, and they want a Indian citizenship. So, how do you feel that?
So that if whatever documents are required, if you have this document, then go ahead and apply for it, and leave everything in the hands of God.
So,
Because for me also initially I never thought it was possible. We were applying, but I was apprehensive. I said, would we really get this? And I never thought in such a fast space of time we would get it.
I guess the censor, the department, they helped you very much.
We had whatever, they were very good to approach and very good people.
Any difficulty you were facing in Goa while you were staying over here, both of you? Nothing. So now, officially, sir is Indian citizen. So it feels good.
Yes, very good. And I cannot stop my gratitude to all those people involved who helped us to get this, maybe the government or other personnel, whoever helped us, and always first place my God.
So there are many other people also, they want a Goan or Indian citizenship. Do you have any friends along with you who work there or anything?
Yeah, I have some friends who are struggling to get in as a citizen, but they did not. The process has not been satisfied. So they have still. There are a lot of people. When I used to go to FRO to get citizenship, I used to meet a lot of Pakistanis there.
Oh, there are many.
There are laws for Pakistan who's come down, and they used to say. I said, I used to tell them, why don't you apply for citizenship?
Exactly.
There are people.
I'm really happy, sir, to see you right now and your happiness, because for a Goikar it matters the more, the happiness of the other Goikar.
Exactly.
So thank you, sir, for being with us, and thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.